how to limit battery charge on Windows 11. So hello guys, so welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can limit your battery charge on Windows 11. So like first you will have to go for the source field just at the bottom of your screen. So simply click on this source field and type settings. So simply open the settings. So after opening the settings, you will have to go for the option like battery. So simply type here battery, and here you will get the option like power sleep and battery settings. So simply go for the option. And now from here, I can customize my power plan for the battery optimization. So on the first, it is energy recommendation. So simply after opening that, I can simply apply the settings to customize my power plan for more power saving. So I have turned on 5 settings from here. So back, and you will get the option like power mode. So on the power mode, you will get two options. Like my Hawaii's provide me two options. So it depends on your device manufacturer. So you might not be provide this option. So alternatively, you can do this. So depending on your manufacturer software, most laptop brand have their own software to limit charging. So on Dell, you will have to use Dell Power Manager, and then you have to enable the battery charge limit. And for the Lenovo, use Lenovo Vantage. And for the Asus, use My Asus and set the maximum lifespan. For the HP, use HP Health Battery Manager. And for the Acer MSI Razor, check their respective software. Likewise, in my case, here is no any option to customize for the limited battery charge on my laptop. Depending on your manufacturer software, you can also easily do that. So if any question arises, just let me know in comment section below. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe and like to this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.